Okay, for this project we're going to use something called cropping, and we're going to remove all signs of this picture by cropping. There's people, if you go down to the bottom of this picture, there's a whole bunch of tourists that really ruin this picture. So we're going to save this, right click, save image as, and I'm going to save it on the desktop. And after we crop this picture, we're also going to use the text tool to label the mountain, and there's bonus points if you can find the name of the mountain. So I'm going to open this up in GIMP, File, Open, and I'm going to find the mountain, open it up, drag this a little bit bigger so that I can see it better. Oops. Zoom, Fit Image in Window. Now I got the whole image in there. I'm going to use the tool. It looks like a little X-Acto knife blade, and this is called the Crop tool, and it's going to remove edge areas from the image. So I'm just going to click and drag across the area that I want to keep. So I'm dragging a rectangle around the area I want to keep, and once I let go of that mouse button, everything that is not going to stay in the picture gets grayed out. So if I wanted to change this, I could click on one of the corners and drag it to the size that I wanted. And this is a pretty good area. So I'm going to hit the Enter or Return button on the keyboard, and now it cut out everything that was not inside that rectangle. I'm going to zoom in again. Now I'm going to use the text tool, and I'm going to drag a text box right across the middle here, and I'm going to label this mountain. I would select what I just wrote, and I could change the size of the font so that it's bigger. And if I wanted to change the color, I would select this again, click on this little box in the corner, and I could change it to red. Or if I wanted to change it to any other color, I would drag across, and I could maybe change it to a green color. That looks pretty good on a natural mountain scene. The next thing I'm going to do in order to find this picture, if I go to image search, if I try to search by the image, my internet's not working right now, but if you Google image search, you should be able to find what this mountain is by inserting a URL or uploading the picture.